Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome, welcome to Coach Miranda Miner's channel. Nako, napakasaya po natin. Grabe. Welcome to Miranda Miner's channel at unang-una po sa lahat, maraming salamat sa suporta, sa pagtitiwala, sa lahat po ng inyong binigay na tulong, na oras. Kahit you're just asking a question, masaya ako doon kasi lumaki tayo, no? Lumaki tayo ng maayos. We have grown our community na totoo tayo sa culture of malasakit. Totoo tayo na we are growing based on how we wanted it to be. We are growing na meron tayong kultura ng pagtutulungan. Yung ating mga community in Discord, in Facebook, in Twitter, in YouTube, in TikTok, in fan page, lahat tayo nagtutulungan, no? Wala po ako nakikitang kahit isa. Wala po ako nakikitang kahit isang nang babash, nang ha-hype. Nako, napakaganda po ng pakiramdam ko ngayon because I think we are able to continue to grow and help the community and change the trading industry one trader at a time. Alam mo guys, tuwan-tuwa talaga si Coach kasi syempre kaka-post ko lang po kanina, alam niya naman po yan no? I will make, I have a slide for that, no? Pero before tayo mag-start, gusto ko lang sabihin ulit, no? Medyo uulitin ko lang ng konti yung mga hinighlight ko noong nakaraang araw nung medyo naglolo ko sa YouTube at nagselos yata kay Twitter. No? So, dadaanan ko na mabilis yan. Ano ba yung mga risk from now up until 2035 at bakit napakaswerte mo? Kasi out of the 5 risks, meron kang isa doon. No, meron kang isa doon na meron ka ngayon that will help you navigate 2035 ng prenteng-prente ka lang, no? And of course, na-discuss na natin yung contango kahapon. This time, I'm going to discuss a little bit of other news that can impact cryptocurrency and pinakahuling-huli, ano ba ang Bitcoin move na pwedeng mangyari over the next couple of days. Okay? So, ito na. Nako, maraming salamat po. I would like to officially announce that we are now, Global Miranda Miner Group is now officially a corporation. Ang ating pong pangalan is Global Miranda Miner Group, OPC, with SEC registration number 2021-1000-29079/42. I'm very proud. Alam mo, ayoko lang maging emotional, no? Pero Nakakatuwa. Alam mo yun, yung tipong sabi nga sa akin ni Rad kanina, yung one of my very first moderators, sabi niya, "Kuya, alam mo ito yung unang chat mo sa akin." Ang pinakita niya sa akin, April 17. Sabi niya, I was telling him, "Uy, Rad, you are the moderator now. I need your help." Naku, wala pa yata kaming 100 sa Facebook group nun. Tapos talagang pinupush ko pa yung mga tao mag-comment sa Facebook group. Sabi ko, "Uy, magsalita naman kayo, mag-hype naman tayo, mag-usap-usap naman tayo." 'Di ba? Fast forward, sinend ko sa kanya 'to. Sabi niya sa'kin, "Kuya, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung sinend mo sa'kin ng April 17 and what do you send right now to me." Grabe, to God be the glory, to God be all the highest praises and glory. Alam mo, praise the Lord, talagang nakakapangilabot na, alam mo yon, in my humble mission to help the community, nagkaroon tayo ng appetite to help, and right now we have recognition ng isang government entity, no? And alam mo, I would like to use this registration for an even better purpose. I would like to use this recognition to be able to help the bigger platform. No, I think the bigger stage and the bigger platform is to be able to reach out now on other official outlets like the media, no? And of course, kasama niyan, mag-face reveal na si Coach. Kasama na po 'yan sa sinign up natin, no? So I'm targeting um coming the 50K subscribers in YouTube. Magpapakita na po tayo ng muka kasama po ng SEC registration 'yan. Because I'm going to use the official title CEO and President of GMMG OPC. Nakakatuwa, and guys, ako po ay lubos nagpapasalamat sa lahat po ng tumutulong, 10 po ng ating mga moderators, yung mga unang-unang moderators hanggang sa pinakahuli, lahat kayo. Nako, alam mo, taos-puso po ako nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng tulong na binibigay ninyo sa malasakit sa community. Alam naman po ninyo na walang bayad po ang moderator, no? At sila po ay talagang talagang time lang po nila at ang kanilang isipan at pagmamahal sa community. They found the same passion that I do, that I have. Kaya tumutulong po lahat sila. So, mula po sa aking puso, maraming 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 salamat. Nako, we will be conquering even a bigger platform. But of course, kailangan natin, we need to keep our hearts in the right place. We need to keep our hearts in the right place, and we need to keep, alam mo yun, we need to elevate each other. You know, we should elevate the brand, not to the expense of hurting the other people. You know, I would like us to continue to grow and let our actions speak. You know, I would like us to grow and let our results speak. Diba? And we will use this to become a platform to further advocate. Yan po ang gusto ni Miranda Miner. I would like to advocate, you know, cryptocurrency advocacy knowledge, you know, trading effectiveness. And so at least tulad ko, ikaw din, maging platform mo ang cryptocurrency. Naalala ko, sabi ng isang headline kanina, shinare ko to sa mga moderators, no? Nakakatuwa. Yung cryptocurrency, marami na siya natutulungan, no? Meron akong shinare kanina, merong isang bank depositor, nag-viral ito nung 2 years ago, no? Hindi ko na sasabihin yung bangko, pero yung bank statement niya, below 5,000 yung savings niya. Hindi niya ginalaw ng 2 years. Alam mo, after 2 years, wala nang pera. Kasi nga meron pala silang parang dormant account charges, no? Pero unlike Bitcoin, if you leave 5,000 pesos of Bitcoin in your wallet 2 years ago, malaki na 'yan, 'di ba? Anyways, again, maraming maraming salamat po. We will be officially sharing our company trailer, hoping by November week 1, we will be launching our Global Miranda Miner Group OPC company trailer. Thank you so much sa atin pong hinire na part-time video editor. At maraming maraming salamat sa iyo in advance. Congratulations to all of us. And of course, again, 10 ng aking mga moderators, maraming 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 salamat po. And to God be all the highest praise and glory. So, of course, speaking of momentum, ituloy-tuloy na natin, no? Of course, kung ikaw ay hindi pa nakakasali sa ating TikTok, dance your way to 20K. Isayaw mo na yan, i-TikTok mo na yan kung proud na proud ka. Proud na proud ka sa iyong natutunan in our system, in our culture. Isayaw mo na yan, i-celebrate mo, mananalo ka pa ng 20,000 pesos, 10,000 pesos for the first prize, 6,000 for the second prize, and 4,000 for the third prize. Deadline is on November 7, isayaw mo na, no? Total naman, we are now officially a company. Isayaw mo na 'yan, no? Isayaw mo na, no? And I hope that you could also be proud as I am. Isa po itong ano lang, no, kumbaga mission, no? Kasi naalala ko, ikwento ko lang 'to guys, no. Alam mo, last year I've been teaching to a group of traders. Siguro mga 15 lang kami, 15. Tapos I've been teaching kasi sa office, nagtuturo din ako sa opisina. I've been teaching and sharing, no. I've been teaching this years ago. Nilabas ko yung knowledge ko. Sabi ko, I would like to reach out to sa community. Tapos sinabi ko sa community, sabi nila sa akin, alam mo coach, nagtuturo ka na rin naman sa amin, ba't di mo na naituro sa labas to? No? So, yon si Rad is one of my students last year. So, inisip ko, may point nga naman siya. So, nung nilabas ko, sabi ko, sige, bahala na. It was my birthday. Sabi ko, sige, gagawa ako ng, ngayon, alam nyo na, birthday ko April, ah. Sabi ko, gagawa ako ng konting article or video. Noong una pa nga, crypto mining yung ginawa kong video. Tapos, napapansin ko, ang daming gustong matuto ng cryptocurrency. In fact, nagpapasalamat ako doon sa pinagsimulan natin na Facebook group, sa Binance trading group. Doon tayo nagsimula. We started there. We used to be a member. Tapos, tumutulong tayo sa mga tao doon. Then, sabi ko, ang dami ko natutulungan at mukhang ang dami kasing pwedeng tulungan. Might as well create my own group. Yan, doon na po nag-start lahat yon, no? So, nakakatuwa lang kasi at the end of the day, titingnan mo yung pinanggalingan mo, which is just months ago, and natutuwa tayo na at some point gigising ka sa umaga, sasabihin sa ng mga message, Coach, maraming salamat na tulungan mo ko. Coach, maraming salamat kasi because of this, meron na kaming pang-almusal. Di ba? Parang sino ba namang hindi matutuwa sa ganung makikita mong message araw-araw? Coach, maraming salamat sa tulong mo sa knowledge. Coach, hindi pa ako nag-enroll pero maraming salamat. Guys, that's really, alam mo diyan, masaya na ako sa ganyan. Kaya yung pagod ko parang di ako napapagod kasi kahit na inuubo na ako, tuturo pa rin tayo kasi you guys keep on inspiring me. So maraming salamat ulit. Ayan. So, i-fast track ko lang, no? So, Bitget, if you are new to our channel, please download Bitget using my referral link. You can get 10% bonus or 10% of your deposit. If you deposit $100, you can get 10% of your deposit. And of course, if you just follow the instructions on this page, pwede mo naman siyang i-rewind. Click on the QR code for mobile and for the website. You can actually take advantage of a $630 rewards. No? And of course, maraming salamat din sa ating BingBon partner. Sila po ay yung official partner ng ating MirandaMiner EliteUniversity. If you have questions or concerns about our university, please email us at eliteuniversity@globalmirandaminer.com. Yan. Ang ating po mga schedule sa university classes on November 12 and 19, November 13 and 20, November 26 and December 3, at mapupuno na po ang ng November 27 and December 4. So if you finished the beginner class, mag-enroll ka na sa intermediate class natin by November 27 and December 4. Meron po couple of changes, no? Meron na po tayong pre-university assessment. Meron na po tayong assessment. Ito pong assessment na ito, ibibigay po sa inyo to ni Elite University kapag nag-enroll kayo. So, ito pong assessment na to is 25 items. Ito po are questions about your knowledge doon po sa ni-review nyo yung video. So, di ba meron po kayong re-reviewin na video na for free na nasa YouTube natin. MirandaMiner Elite University Week 1, Week 2, Week 3, Week 4, Week 5, Week 6. Pag na-review nyo po lahat yon, meron po kayong iti-take na quiz, ibibigay po sa inyo ni Elite University as your placement exam. Pwede po mag-retake pero make sure po na may ipasa nyo yan before po kayo mag-start ng beginner class natin. And before kayo mag-start ng intermediate class, meron na rin po tayong bago which is our pre-intermediate university assessment. It is a 20-item assessment na tinitake po yan ng mga beginner graduates before sila maka-enroll into intermediate class. So parang kumaga tinatawag nating assessment niyan, assessment if you already have understood yung mga tinuturo natin sa university, no? Okay? Ayan, so alam mo si Bitcoin pumapalo na naman ng $63,000. Congratulations kung kumita ka today. Pero kung natatalo ka pa din, alam mo, huwag kang mag-give up, Please don't. Ito, alam mo, we're gonna be in a marathon, Hindi, we're not on a sprint. Tapos, position size ka, huwag kang tatayan huwag kang mag-all-time buy. Huwag kang mag-all-time buy. We're gonna be here for the long term. Sasamahan kita hanggang dulo, hanggang magaling na magaling ka na. Hindi ako yung tulad ng iba dyan na hanggang next week lang. No? We're gonna be here for the long term. I'm gonna be here for many, many years. Tutulungan kita, susuportahan kita araw-araw every 10 p.m. No? Hanggang sa siguro, hopefully, na lumaki na talaga yung anak ko, mag-college na. Pero siguro at that time, marami na akong nagawang MirandaMiner. Proud na tayo na nakapag-produce tayo ng maraming, or even better, no? Not even myself, no? I was able to duplicate myself, and that time, pumapalakpak na lang tayo sa likod, no? Alright, so, pag natatalo ka, pakinggan mo to, The Power of Yet in Life and Trading, and do not allow anyone to put a price tag on you. Yan, pakinggan mo yan, Okay? Next, ayun na. Guys, i-discuss ko lang to ng mabilis, no, before tayo mag-go through. No, I would like to discuss real quick ang ating review of the coins currently, no. Bitcoin, I'm currently reviewing using TradingView because we have BITO on this form. Bitcoin currently at 3.76% up over the past 24 hours. It's currently at $63,138. Ethereum currently at 41.52. Congratulations, up ng $70 at 1.73%. BNB 486. Congratulations, 2.21% up. ADA or ADA coin Cardano is at 2.14. It's currently up at a percent, 1.13% rather. XRP is currently at 7/10 of a percent. It's currently at $1.09. Solana, very bullish, coming from 183, pumalo ng 202 and currently 209. Alam mo, Solana is already up in the roster, no? I think it's number 6 again in the crypto market cap space. Let me just double check that real quick. And Solana is currently number 6 already. Sinipa niya na pababa si XRP. No? It's currently at $209 at 3.37%. Dogecoin, nagre-retrace po yan dahil tumaas ng konti, and Floki and Shib Ino is umakyat din. It's currently at 26 cents a piece. Polkadot is currently at $43.69. It's currently at $3.29% up. All of our coins on the top 20 except Dogecoin is currently bullish. All right, Uniswap is currently at $26.40. It's 2.37 positive. Luna is $43 at 3.89%. AVAX is currently at 66.6, currently up at 3.22. Link or Chainlink is up at 10%. Guys, nako, ang dami ko na pong kinita sa Link. Siguro ipopost ko ngayon, wait lang. I entered Link. Pasensya na kayo, I'm not giving signals lately. Medyo marami lang akong ginagawang errands pag Monday. Pero I was supposed to give you a heads up about Link. I-tweet ko lang to, wait lang. I-tweet ko lang to. I was supposed to give you a heads up about Link, pero hindi ko na nagawa kasi naging busy lang ako kanina. Pero Link is very, very good, no? So thank you, Link, for this profit. Maraming salamat. Let me tweet it right now. There you go. So Link is currently at 10.10%. Whew, grabe, 32.7%. Litecoin is currently at 2.89. Algorand at 6.96%. Currently at $1.94. SHIB. Grabe guys. Ay, kahapon Guys, sinabi ko kahapon si SHIB, layuan nyo muna. Layuan nyo. Baka naipit kayo sa taas. Sana hindi kayo naipit sa taas, nakuha nyo yung ilalim. Ang sabi ko kahapon dito, medyo mataas itong yellow line na to. I was talking about this kahapon. Do you remember that? Type number 1 kung naaalala mo yon. Type number 1. Sabi ko kahapon, the 0.618 here rather. There we go. The 0.618 area, okay, there we go. The 0.618 area is currently at 0.34. Sabi natin yan. Something on this particular yellow lane. Ayun, pumahalo, umilalim. Alas 12 kahapon, no? Alas 11 tayo nagtapos ng live kahapon. Boom! Alas 12, alauna, pumalo ng 0.33. Ayan, sinasabi ko sa'yo, huwag ka munang pumasok kasi oversold na nga. Overbought rather, overbought na. Eh. Sana hindi ka naiwan, no? Eh kung nakikinig ka ba kay MirandaMiner araw-araw, na hindi ka nawawalan ng ganyan, eh, no? So congratulations sa mga I am marked safe. I am marked safe, no? Alright, okay. Kasi sabi din ni Uncle Elon Musk, no? No, anyways, ito si Elon Musk, ako nga, ginagawa ng Elon Musk na to, mga mapagka-TA ng mga tao sumusunod sa kanya, no? Anyways, so let's go to VET. VET, I'm still bullish on VET, guys. 4.89. So sabi natin kahapon, so what time was yesterday? Let me just make sure. 24. There you go. Ayan. So ang sabi natin kahapon, it can potentially bounce. Okay? Can potentially bounce on this particular area. Hindi niya na to inantay. Ito po ay nag-bounce na going up. So another TA na nag-work po ulit. Okay, another TA. Sabi natin, it could potentially bounce here. Hindi na po niya inantay. Umakyat na po siya. Congratulations. Antayin niyo po yan. Pag ito ay bumasag ng 0.13928, ito po ay aakyat palalo. Okay, antayin mo na yan. Malapit na yan. 13.943 something. Antayin mo na yan. Okay? So sabi natin kahapon, let me just do another demo of that. Sabi natin kahapon, it can potentially go even higher. Yan. So gawin nating demo kunwari. So from here, okay? So let's start. Sabi natin kahapon, it can potentially bounce from here going up. Yan. So it's actually trying to go up even higher right now, pero we will see. We will see kung ito ay aakyat pa. So antayin mo na lang itong bumasag ng on this particular area, no? So 13.937, antayin mo na lang yan. Axie 1.84. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo lagi. No, this is what I'm trying to tell you always. At sana ikaw ay nakikinig. Okay, the power of confirmation candles. Okay, sabihin ko lang mabilis, no? Okay, so number 1, ang sabi natin dito kahapon, okay, meron ka ditong resistance. Meron ka ditong resistance. So iniisip natin, pag nag-breakout dito, pwede mo nang pasukan on a 1-hour time frame, no? So meron siyang breakout, pero nakakainis tong si Axie. Nakakainis tong si paring Axie. Aba, tingnan mo, nagparamdam lang. Nagparamdam lang ng konting pasok, tapos hindi na umangat. Sino ba namang di maiinis dyan? Ha? Diba? So, ngayon mo ng confirmation, kailangan meron siyang confirmation, no? Tinuturo ko yan sa university, kailangan may confirmation candle. Nakita mo kahit naka-green si MACD, hindi umangat. Nakakainis ka, Axie. Nakakainis ka naman yan, no? Hindi na umangat, o. Tingnan mo, naiwan ko tuloy sa taas dyan. Okay? Alright, and then Bito is back to where it... Guys, meron akong update sa Bito, makinig ka mabuti, ha? Ito yung ayaw ko sa ito yung nakakainis sa stock market, no? Sa mga ETF. Makakita ka ng mga ganitong part. Alam mo, you call these types of performance, you will notice may mga ganyang performance na parang walang may puwang. You call it gap up or gap down, no? Normally, the market is going to start on a higher price from the previous day, no? Medyo gap up and gap down na tinatawag yan. And that's perfectly fine in the stock market or the ETF market kasi nga they're not 24/7, no? So meron akong konting balita sa inyo ha. Balitaan ko muna kayo before tayo mag-start ng ating topic for today. Marami ako magandang news today, no? So let's go now and dive into our news. Okay. So, okay, teka lang, sagutin ko lang 'tong tanong ni Kim. Tsaka ito ni Kiel De Los Santos. Tsaka I will answer this right now. I will answer this right now as ano, as very focused as I am. Kasi kwento ko lang sa inyo, no. Mayroon sa akin nag-message kanina sa Twitter yata, yun sakay sa Facebook. Sabi niya, "Coach, um, puwede ba ako mag-retest?" Ay ang tanong niya sa akin, basahin ko lang, wait lang. Ang tanong niya sa akin, matawa ka kay coach, minsan may mga lutang moments ako, eh, 'no? Natatawa ka sa mga so ang sabi niya sa akin, ito basahin ko sa inyo. Basahin ko lang, pero hindi ko na sasabihin yung pangalan niya. Sabi niya, "Coach, magandang araw po. Kapag bumagsak po ba sa retest, wala na po bang chance ulit 'yun?" Ang sabi ko, ang reply ko, "After retest, tsaka nag-bounce, pangatlo, pang-apat na retest puwede pa. Pero 'pag fourth, and up na retest na, puwede na mag-breakdown." 'Yun yung sagot ko ha, makinig ka mabuti ha. 'Yun yung sagot ko, okey? Alam mo reply niya sa'kin, ang reply niya sa'kin ganito, "Ay sorry po coach, I mean po yung sa beginner class, nag-test po ako kasi pero bagsak po ako." So, sabi ko, "I'm so sorry. Akala ko 'pag nag-retest yung candle." Yun pala magre-retest sa beginner class. So, pasensya na po kayo. Akala ko kasi magti-TA yung tanong. Ha? Akala ko magti-TA yung tanong. Pasensya na po kayo. Akala ko magre-retest yung candle. Yung pala magre-retest yung exam. So, ang sagot po dun, puwede po kayo mag-retest. Yes po, yes po. Wala po 'wag niyo pong intindihin yung sinagot ko sa inyo. Siguro iniisip nung nagtanong, "Ano pinagsasabi na 'to ni Coach MirandaMiner? Ano pinagsasabi niya?" Pasensya na kayo, natawa lang ako kanina. Sabi ko, "Ano ba 'tong pinagsasabi ko nga pala?" Yung tanong pala, so ang lesson learned natin, hin hindi po lahat TA ang sagot. Okay, so sinabi ko na po yung sagot, huwag niyo na po akong tanungin ng retest. Kasi po habang tinatanong niya ako, nagti-TA po kasi ako ng entry. Natatawa ako. Pasensya na kayo, I'm really so sorry, medyo lutang ako kanina, sabi ko. Kasi I was doing TA ta's nag-reply, tanong siya, sabi ko, "Sige, sagutin ko na nga 'to." Yun pala mali yung ano niya, yung mali pala yung intindi ko. Anyways, o sige. So yung tanong mo, if you are actually ano, you can do a retest, yes. Email mo lang si Elite University, email address po, okay? Let's move on. Tawa tuloy ako. SLP, it will continue to go sideways, SLP. Guys, abangan niyo na yung season 19. Naku, parang ang ganda ng lalabas yung, tweet kanina 'no, advice nila Jiho 'no. Maganda, eh, nakita ko, eh, maganda yung lalabas sa next season. So, I think at some point puwedeng maging bullish ang Axie, at some point 'no. Another thing, by the way, isingit ko lang 'to 'no, before ko makalimutan kasi hindi 'to part ng news natin today. One of the major investors ng Axie, as far as I remember, Arca is the investor name. They're now opening up to new ventures 'no. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa nila kasi when they invested on Axie grew into millions 'no, average daily user in terms of millions. Nakita nila yung power ng NFTs, play to earn, NFTs, digital collectibles. Sabi nga ng China, "We're now going to call NFT as digital collectibles." So, talagang si China ang daming sariling tawag, eh, 'no? So, they're now going to invest on other NFTs. So, nakakatuwa. I think proof of concept talaga. Tapos nakita ko sa news kanina, they were mentioning the Philippines. Sobrang tuwan-tuwa sila. They were able to help the Filipinos. that are in need of help through the Axie. No? So yun. As I've said, I think Axie will consolidate at this point. We just need another major news. No? Matic, maganda yung pinakikita niya sa atin. Sabi natin mag-aantay tayo sa bilog na to on a potential breakout. It looks like mababasag na. After mabasag tong bilog na to, itong oblong rather, this one. This one. Your next in line is going to be this one, 1.9. Ayun. So sana nakikinig ka ng mga TA natin, no. From an analysis standpoint, babalikan ko to, mag-news lang tayo na mabilis. Okay? So, i-highlight ko lang tong AAV, guys, no. Kung meron kayong extra money, what I want you guys to do is to leave some of your funds. If you are an investor, you're an investor, guys, I want you to leave some of your money in AAV. No? Just leave it there. Mga 1 or 2%. Lalaki yan. AAV is a decentralized bank. You know, yung kanilang platform, they're actually a decentralized bank. You know, if I will show to you guys DeFi, ang DeFi po, naalala ko nung April when on my first few weeks ng live ko, I was talking about DeFi. And DeFi was DeFi around April was only around yan. April was only around yan, no. Nasa 60 billion. Yan, during that time 60, 62, 70, doon umaakyat, no. Paakyat na siya ng paakyat. Natutuwa ako because from a decentralized finance perspective, ang dami na pong mga decentralized finance companies ngayon na nakaangkla sa ERC network at kung saan-saan pang network, no. So from a DeFi perspective, nakita natin na from an average of 5 billion nung April of 2020, 8 billion, 5 billion, mukat-mukat mo, ngayon is 100 billion market na ang decentralized finance. So what does it mean, ladies and gentlemen, is that yung top 5 like AAV, Maker, Curve Finance, InstaDApp, and Compound, nakita mo yung nakalock sa kanila? Yung nakalock na pera sa kanila? Imaginein mo, itong AAV na to, yung nakalock na pera dyan, ini-stake ng mga tao. Okay? Now you're putting your money on AAV. Okay, in Ethereum, 5.9 million Ethereum naka-lock dyan. In Bitcoin, 416,000 Bitcoin. Di ba? Naka-lock lang yung pera nila dyan. Okay? And then if you will notice, from yung kanilang ang kanilang kasing trabaho is more of lending. More of lending sila, guys. So makita mo dito, if you look at the performance of this coin, 'di ba? Ayan, no? Over 19, 15 billion, 16 billion, 17 billion. Parang talo pa nila yung malalaking bangko ngayon sa mundo. 'Di ba? And honestly, from a growth perspective, napakalaki ng potential ng AAV, ha. Wag mo kahit nasa malayo ito ay napaka-potential, para kang bangko na tahimik na you're making a deposit of your own money. No, you're actually staking. So wag mong iisnabin to, guys. Pag sinabi ko wag mong iisnabin, I mean something, ha. Imagine mo, sinabi ko yan kay Polkadot nung nasa 15 pa lang siya, ngayon number 8 na. Wag mo isnabin si AAV. This is a good opportunity to start looking at the wider picture. Lagay ka ng mga 2% ng pera mo dyan. Lagay mo lang dyan, huwag mong pansinin. Iwan mo lang. Kasi nga, they are the biggest DeFi hodler today. They're the biggest. No? They're the biggest, you know. This is actually AAV, no? You know? Look at that, man. Look at the price. No, let's look at the market capitalization. So from the market cap perspective, you will notice, let's go to year to date. Yan. There's a lot of more potential on this coin. A lot more potential. It's not even on the peak yet. Not even on the peak yet. No, nagsa-sideways pa siya, eh. So AAV is the top, the biggest. I know may mga konting NFTs na there is an NFT universe ngayon, but wag niyong iisnabin ng DeFi. And kung magde-DeFi din lang kayo, doon na kayo sa number 1. Doon na kayo sa number 1. Okay? Because DeFi is currently already lumaki na po yan ng almost 500%. Imagine mo, well, not just 500%, I think from 5 billion to 100 billion in a year. Sinong bangko ang lalaki ng 5 billion to 100 billion in a year? Sige nga, sinong bangko lalaki ng ganyan? I think this is really, really unprecedented. And as I've said, this will attract regulation. This will definitely attract regulation. And remember, whenever, sabi nga ng isang analyst kanina, whenever we see regulatory clarity, the price will pump. Whenever there's regulatory clarity, the price of the asset will always pump. O nung binigyan nila ng go signal si ETF, di lumipad ang Bitcoin, which also have a news on that. We have a headline on that. So again, DeFi is going to be a silent giant, no, a sleeping giant. So wag niyo isnabin 'yan. Kung meron kayong pera diyan, parang Bitcoin, kumbaga ang number one on all DeFi, AAV. Ang number one on all NFT, AXS. Ang number one on all coins, Bitcoin. So ngayon alam mo na ha, number one on all DeFi, AAV. Ang number one on all NFTs, AXS. Ang number one parang index. Ang index mo sa iyong coins will be your Bitcoin and your Ethereum, your top number 5, no, yung top 5 coins mo. Yan. So, next news naman tayo. Next news tayo. Ito na. So, let's go back to ProShares ha. Itong ProShares na to, maganda yung news nila kasi alam nyo ba guys, merong tinatawag na limit. Let's just go to my article, no. May tinatawag kasing limit ito. Look at this. So, I want you to see this, no. Ang ETF kasi pag ina-approve ka ng isang government entity, may tinatawag kang limit of how much can you only share, can you only release from an ETF perspective. Mano-notice mo gold, silver, at bonds, you have all different types of assets and they were released an ETF in the past. Ngayon, as per Bloomberg, itong mga assets na to, they are actually reaching their asset limit na they can release to the market in a certain period of time. Makikita mo, si Bito, the very first one, okay, na nag-issue asset under management. Listen to this very carefully ha. Itong nasa left side, this is asset under management in millions. Okay? So what does it mean? In less than 1 day, pumalo ang Bito ng almost $1.2 billion assets under management or AUM. Samantalang yung ibang collateral or other assets, it take them 3 months, pinakamalayo. Diba? Silver, almost 43 days. Bitcoin is really for massive adoption. And most recently, nag-apply sila ng limit exception. Nakakatawa tong in-apply nila, no? Because they have already achieved 75% of all of their ETF positions already applied. May nag-apply na, may nag-take positions na. And every time you are on that direction, hindi ka na makakapag-apply ng any more positions until you apply for a limit. If they don't have a position extension or limit extension, at some point, yung kanilang mga buyers o kanilang mga investors, sasabihin nila, why am I even here? Kasi yung without discussing the entire gamut of the trading limitations, iisipin lang naman ng ProShares, kailangan nilang magbenta na magbenta na magbenta na magbenta. But because that's your business. Diba? They're earning 9/10 of a percent or 95.95%. Diba? 95 basis points. They're actually earning on that. No, they're earning 95 basis points from the payments ng mga tao nag-ETF. That's your payment to the broker. And now they're asking for an extension or a limit extension. Bakit? Kasi nga, 'di ba pinapaikot lang naman nila yung funds nila. And remember, diniscuss ko kahapon, may contango tayong tinatawag. Ibig sabihin ng contango, yung mga current buyer mo ngayon, bumibili sila ng Bitcoin on a premium. Pag hindi sila nakagawa ng mga bagong nakakuha ng mga bagong buyers, at some point maiiwan lang yung mga existing and old ETF buyers nila. In totality, I will explain this in a very layman's term. Mag-iisip at some point yung kanilang mga buyers na 1 billion asset under management, they will start to think, bakit pa ako nagbabayad ng premium? Almost $500 ang difference, guys, ha, ng ETF price versus the actual spot market price, no? Hindi mo nakikita yan dito sa Bito kasi Bito, the price of Bito is a representation lang, ha, hindi to yung total asset price ng Bitcoin. Because remember, ETF is a representation of diverse assets. Di ba? So yun. So sinasabi ng ProShares, oh, we need to apply for an extension. So it's a good problem to have for them. It's a good problem to have. No? So this means that we are really going to be bullish. No, ang dami po talaga nag-apply. No, ang dami talaga nag-apply. No? Bito hit 1,900 contracts sold in October, nearing the 2,000 front month position limit by end of the second day. Meron silang position limit eh. So sabi nila ngayon, can we apply for an extension or an exception? No? All right, next news tayo, next news. Bakit bullish si coach sa Bitcoin? Nako. Okay. News tayo, no? Sa mga kaibigan ko nasa States, Judex, kasi si Judex nasa States yan, no? When you guys in Walmart, can you guys find a picture for me? Pa-picture nga kayo dyan sa isang ATM with Bitcoin. Alam mo, nakakatuwa to, ha, because unang-una si El Salvador lang. Ngayon po ang mga Walmart stores, silently putting Bitcoin ATMs in their stores, guys. The biggest retailer in the world is putting Bitcoin in all of its shops. So what does that mean? People will think, what is this Bitcoin? And now you tell me, ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin is a scam. Now you tell me Bitcoin is a scam, and when the world's largest retailer is putting Bitcoin in all of its stores. This is really a bullish news. O ngayon, kung wala ka namang Bitcoin, edi kung wala ka namang physical na, kunyari, you cannot travel. O ano pa yung other news natin? Hindi ka makapag-travel. Okay guys, this is another news. Listen to this. Mass adoption. MasterCard plans to allow merchants to accept Bitcoin payments. Matagal na to eh. Matagal na to. They even hired a head of cryptocurrency within MasterCard. So now you tell me Bitcoin is a scam. Diba? It is now in the world's largest retailer. And by the way, tinabi ko lang dyan yung news na yan sa Nigeria. Update ko lang kayo, no, nakakatuwa itong ginawa ng Nigeria. No? Kanina may ini-interview yung investment analyst. Medyo mahirap siyang maintindihan. At guys, alam mo ba, ang tingin ko, huwag ka matatawa sa theory ni MirandaMiner. Ha? Isa sa mga theory ko, makinig ka mabuti ha, one of my theory kung bakit, okay? One of my theory kung bakit ang Nigeria is bullish on Bitcoin. Kasi tingin ko, bubulong ko sa'yo. Wakanda forever. Wakanda forever. tingin ko talaga. Tingin ko meron diyang yung Black Panther dyan sa Nigeria eh. No, kidding aside, nakakatuwa because Nigeria is one of those countries na kumbaga parang city capital within the African nation, you know. So of course, we're not yet aware of the economics of the diversity of Nigeria. So wag tayong mag-assume na they're a very poor country. No, wag tayong mag-assume that they're a very poor country because they are, by the way, they just launched their e-Naira. Their digital money. They just launched their digital money, guys. Inunahan pa nila Pilipinas. O meron digital yuan, 'di ba? O why are they launching that? Because marami ngayon By the way, no, FTX, si Bankman, the guy that looks very, very simple pero bilyonaryo, the guy behind FTX, Bankman, what's his name again? Just give me a second. Sam Bankman-Fried. May, grabe tong taon to. Tingnan mo yung itsura niya. I-search mo yan, Sam Bankman-Fried. Anong itsura niyan? Mukha siyang alam mo kamukha ni Vitalik, patabain mo lang si Vitalik. Ganun itsura niya, but he is a billionaire. He's a nerd. He's a billionaire. Yumaman siya eh. Sobrang yaman niya. No? After graduating from MIT, alam ko MIT siya ng 2014, ano siya, he was trading ETF, no? Sa one of the capitalist, no? And because he was a very good mathematician, para siyang, sino nanonood ng Billions dito, yung series? Para siyang si Mason. Para siyang si Taylor Mason. Ang talino. Sobrang talino ni Taylor Mason. No? So, yan. Ini-interview siya. Dun sa one of the shows in CoinDesk. Natutuwa naman tayo kasi nga one of the things na pinag-uusapan, ang bagong lalabas sa mga country, mga bagong pag-uusapan ngayon aside from Bitcoin, the central banks will create their own digital currencies, CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. Maraming lalabas na ganyan. Malay mo, Pilipinas, they will have a digital peso. Diba? Bakit? I mean, why not? Instead of distributing your physical money, meron ka ng digital peso, and isn't it may GCash na nga? That's a digital money, so to speak eh. So iisipin ng Bangko Sentral, we keep on franchising companies that will create digital money. Why don't we create our own digital money, our e-peso? 'Di ba? So something for you guys to consider in the future, na mukhang lalabas to na Bangko Sentral will issue their own newly minted money over digital na. Ha? So something for you guys to consider. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, guys, Reddit. Naku, napakagandang news din nito ha. Alam mo ba, sabi ko nga nung February 2021, this year lang, one of the very big, ito, kukwentuhan kita ng medyo mahalagang kwento ha. Okay. Noong February this year, one of the trading app, Robinhood, kinalaban nila si Melvin Capital. Melvin Capital was supposed to be the real life acts in billions. The real life acts capital in billions, that's Melvin Capital. So Melvin Capital was shorting a company called GameStop. Okay? Lahat ng tao sa Reddit nagtulong-tulong, lahat ng retailer. Alam mo nangyari? Melvin Capital was bankrupt. Lahat ng tao nagtulong-tulong, pabagsakin ng isang institution, all of them because of Reddit, nagsama-sama sila. They were buying long for GameStop. And that's the reason why GameStop pumalo ng 1,000%. Natalo yung nagsha-short. Alam mo naman sa stock market, may mga manipulation na, tingin ko may manipulation dyan, tingin ko. Ito na. So because of Reddit, ang dami kasing tao. You guys don't probably understand. Reddit has a lot of people within the background. Kasi madali kayo makapag-sort ng topic dyan eh. No? So itong news natin ngayon. Reddit is going to create their own NFTs. It's a very bullish news, ha? Reddit, ang dami po kasing mga... Actually, I've been part of Reddit pero I was a gamer kasi. I was a gamer. You know? So I've been playing many games kaya pumupunta ako in Reddit to ask, ano bang pwedeng gawin dito? That's my go-to. I don't go to YouTube before. I go to Reddit. Totoo lang. I've been playing games. I look for people with like-minded na naglalaro, and then they gave me some techniques, they gave me some walkthrough, naka-text lang yan eh. No? So yan, so sabi ni Neil Ryan, ang daming yumaman sa GameStop. So ito pa, bakit umakyat si Shiba Inu? Why did Shiba Inu grow? No? Why did they grow? Tiniwit ko yan kanina. Apparently, itong si Shib, okay? Itong si Shib, nilagay siya sa listahan ng survey na ginawa ni Robinhood. Speaking of Robinhood, nilagay siya sa listahan na ginawa ni Robinhood. Naglagay ng survey si Robinhood sa kanyang mga investors. O ito yung mga potential nating mga gagawing assets under management. Nilista nila si SHIB. No? Nilista nila si SHIB, doon pumalo. Pumalo si SHIB pataas, guys. Ano nangyari? Every time na meron kang makikitang mga nakalista because of rumors, they will again sell on correction. They will sell on news. They will sell on news. Diba? They will sell on news. So, do I think SHIB will grow? Yes, I think it will grow. Okay, anong kailangan mong pasukan dyan? O, tandaan mo na to ha. O, tandaan mo na tong pasok na to. Makinig mabuti. Kasi nasa taas na to. Makinig mabuti ha. So, ito yung unang mong gagawin. Lagay ka ng trend line dito. Okay? Okay. Huwag ka munang pumasok. Antayin mo ha. Huwag ka munang pumasok. Mag-aantay tayo ng confirmation candle with MACD confirmation. Doon ka lang papasok kay SHIB. Tayo lang nag-uusap ha. Huwag ka maingay ha. Kunwari tayo lang nag-uusap dito na ikaw lang nakakaalam na si SHIB medyo parang aakyat pataas kunwari. Uy. Trade at your own risk. Nakikita mo nakalagay yan dyan. No? Trade at your own risk. Ha? Nakasulat yan sa baba. Okay. Okay. Ano pa yung mga news ni MirandaMiner? Ito na. Green Age Generation. Ako, natutuwa ako kanina kasi I was sharing sa mga moderators. Nakakatawa yung headline. Hindi ko sinashare sa community yung headline na yun kasi hindi ko alam kung totoo o hindi. Sabi nung headline, sabihin ko lang yung headline na I was sharing sa moderators. No? Sabi dun sa headline na yon, basahin ko lang, wait. China is thinking about unbanning Bitcoin mining after price rise and started a new record high. Ako, tigil-tigilan mo ko ni Hauma ha. Ha? Tigil-tigilan mo ko ha. Ha? Ano? Maglilista ka na naman, mag-a-unban ka na naman ng Bitcoin. Ha? Headline yan eh. Headline in digesttime.com. China is thinking about unbanning Bitcoin. Ako, tigil-tigilan mo ko. Ha? You will unban Bitcoin? Ha? Alam mo kung bakit? Sabihin ko sa iyo kung bakit. Ito yung storya dyan. Kasi itong Nasdaq-listed Greenwich, this is a publicly traded company. Sabi nila, hey, we're planning to expand our current operating site from in New York and in South Carolina. Bakit? Sino si Greenwich Generation? Si Greenwich Generation is isang company that is interested in cryptocurrency mining. Okay? So because of the Greenwich expansion in the US, naghahanap na ang Greenwich ngayon on states where they can put their crypto mining. So if you remember, China, they banned crypto mining already, and they even said sa Alibaba, tigilan nyo nang mag-post kakabenta ng mga ASIC miner. Tigilan nyo na yan. Pag di nyo tinigilan, I will block you. Yan ang ginawa ni Alibaba. No? One of their president pinagpupupuri ang China at nag-donate pa ng bilyones sa China. Oh, where is what's the name of that guy again? Jack Ma right now. He's a very quiet guy. Ano nangyari? Ang ingay-ingay niya before, 'di ba? Remember, Jack Ma was very very vocal against China because he was based in Hong Kong. O ano nangyari? The government, you don't retaliate to the government. You need to remember, if you're a businessman, you don't fight the government. What he did was, he was vocal against the government, and look at what have happened. Diba? Look at what have happened. The entire machinery of China went against Alibaba as far as the news are concerned. Diba? So anyways, so because of Greenwich, now Greenwich is actually not Greenwich, Greenwich, okay? So they're more into so they're now currently signing up 6 potential data centers in Texas for crypto mining, no? With 3,000 megawatts of combined electrical capacity according to the statement. So tumataas ang kanilang tumataas ang kanilang hash rate, and US right now is the number one in terms of hash rate. So nakakatawa. Sabi ngayon ng sabi ngayon ng news, China is thinking na lagyan natin ng konting accent. China is thinking about banning Bitcoin mining after price rise and started a new record. China is thinking about unbanning Bitcoin after price rise and started a new record. Ako tigil-tigilan nyo ako. Gagawa ako ng isang episode about China lang. Yun lang. Ay, teka lang, dahan-dahan tayo. Baka mawala na naman tayo ng connection. Nawala ako ng connection dito. Teka lang, sorry. Ay, pasensya na po kayo. Hindi naman, naunawaan ba tayo ng mga yun? Sana hindi mo tayo naunawaan ng mga yan. You know? Pero hindi na ako mag-China dito. Move on na tayo, guys. Mag-move on na si MirandaMiner kasi baka ano mangyari, di ba? Ay, wala bang R? Lies. Bitcoin, China wanting to unban Bitcoin for record high. Ganon, sweet? Natutuwa lang ako dyan. No? Anyways, move on na tayo. Ito na yung news, di ba? Yung kay Shib Ino, nabasa na natin yan. Nakakatuwa sila, guys. Huwag kayong huwag dahan-dahan kayo sa Shiba, ha? Maglagay kayo sa spot, huwag kayo sa futures. Huwag kayo sa futures. Anyways, so yun, yan ang ating news for today. And now, I will now go to our TA for the day. Okay. So let me just read some comments, no? Hala ka, coach, magagalit si Winnie the Pooh. Sino ba si Winnie the Pooh? Sir, instead of record, ha. O, tama daw, record. Alright. Texas, sabi ni Nick Andrew, Texas is the new haven for... Tingin ko nga, sabi nga nung kausap natin si Alistair, di ba? Sabi niya puro South America nga sa Texas. Kaya mga taga-Texas dyan, y'all, how are you doing today, mate? Y'all, mga Texas ganyan, mga y'all. Diba? Y-A-L-L, diba? Check what na lang code name mo, coach. Check. Ayan. Oy, oo nga, ha, nakadito ka na, coach. Okay. Anyways, let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Okay, let's now go and chart our coins for today, guys. Bitcoin is a bit bullish today because of a lot of bullish news aside from the ETF. MasterCard is announcing that it's going to create Bitcoin as an added feature in all of their cards. No, guys, alam mo ba? Ito, baka sabihin mo na naman ini-steer kita ha. I used to partner with, because my work before, sabi ko nga sa inyo, I'm actually managing a $70 million worth of business. So in my previous life, sa dati kong trabaho, I was dealing with the presidents and senior vice presidents of MasterCard. No, I used to have dinner with them in BGC. Hindi ko na sasabihin yung pangalan. So it's because that one of the businesses that I used to work before is dealing with cards, no, card platforms. No, so we're dealing with travel cards of MasterCard. No? So we're helping them again. Well, I'll not belabor the point, no, but what I'm trying to say is MC or MasterCard is a humongous company. So pag sinabi nila that they're planning to add Bitcoin as one of the features in their company, that's humongous, guys. You need to remember, ang MasterCard is the card provider. Meron kang bank. For example, if you have a credit card right now, I'll explain na mabilis ha. If you have a credit card right now, you will notice that the bank provider can be different. Kunyari, meron kang for example, BPI credit card. Okay? The BPI credit card is powered by MasterCard. Okay? Is powered by MasterCard. So what does that mean is the bank provider, okay, is BPI, and MasterCard is the international license card provider. In a layman's term, no? So when you have your credit card, what do you mean by, Coach, kapag naka-MasterCard yung BPI ko, what does that mean? What do you mean by that is they are actually white labeling the card. So when you say white labeling, nilalagyan yung plastic, okay, you have your credit card right now, yung plastic nilalagyan siya ng brand. Pero powered siya ng MasterCard. So MasterCard can exist on all different cards powered by any bank. Pwedeng MasterCard powered by the Bank of New York. MasterCard powered by the Bank of US. Iba-iba yan. So when you say MasterCard and Visa, it is including all card holders. Imagine mo gaano karami ang card holder sa buong mundo. 'Di ba? Gaano karami ang card holder sa buong mundo? Ang dami. So when you say and when you see my tweet, nakita mo yung tweet ni Coach na MasterCard is announcing to plan allow merchants to accept Bitcoin. Ay nako, napakagandang news niyan because you're going to allow Bitcoin to be used. So I think we're nearing to the 74K or an 85K resistance. No? Okay, listen to this very carefully, ha? Very carefully. You can I would like to tell you that my TA is we will be at 74, but I want you to widen your volatility sa ilalim. Okay? Lakihan mo yung volatility sa ilalim. So gawin mo ganito. You have $100. Okay? Lagyan ka ng $50, 50% sa Bitcoin. No? Or lagyan mo ng 30%. 30% naka 5x ka lang. Hayaan mo na siya dyan. Okay, 3x. Okay, 3x. Hayaan mo na siya dyan. Tapos yung 50%, yung 1% nun, bili mo ng SHIB. Yung 1% bili mo ng AAV. Tapos yung 20% is stake mo sa stake mo siya sa staking. Kasi natira, yun na yung pang-trade mo. Intindihan mo? So 50% Bitcoin, 1% SHIB, hayaan mo lang sa spot si SHIB, 1% AAV, or 2% or 5%, yung natitira yun na pang-trade mo. So make sure that you do that. No? Huwag kang masyadong pupunta pera mo, $100, puro Bitcoin ka kaagad, 125%. Huwag ganun guys. Huwag ganun yung strategy nyo. We're gonna be here na pang matagalan. No, dito tayo na hanggang 2024 tayo dito ha. Oh. Hanggang 2024 tayo dito. Naalala ko nung nag-post tayo sa Instagram, naalala ko Instagram ba yun or sa Twitter, no? Sabi ko, Bitcoin announces, Bitcoin breaches 43,000. Tuwan-tuwa tayo lahat nun, August yun. Bitcoin breaches $43,000. Tuwan-tuwa tayo, palakpakan lahat. Kung nag-iwan ka na ng 50% ng pera mo sa Bitcoin ng $43,000 pa lang, di sana masaya ka din tulad ko ngayon, di ba? Di ba? Ngayon sinasabihan na kita, maglagay ka dyan, kahit maliit. Tapos pasalamatan mo kapag 75,000 na siya. Ha? Yung mga sinabihan ko na maglagay na nung 43 pa lang, okay na, wag mo na akong pasalamatan. Tayo lang naman nag-uusap dito. Tayo lang naman bubulangan na lang kita, ito pasukin mo yung Bitcoin, ganyan. Yung mga 50%. Ha? Uy! Tingin ko Bitcoin can potentially go back. No? Let's now chart. Let's now do some charting. No? I'm going to use a 1 hour. Balik tayo sa Heikinashi. Okay. So, of course, no, aantayin natin sa Bitcoin because malapit na siyang bumalik sa previous higher high niya. So, maghahanap tayo dito ng potential cap, no? Baka bumuo lang to ng konting handle dito. Baka bumuo lang ng handle, sorry. Baka bumuo lang ng konting handle, abangan mo. No? Pwedeng bumuo ng dalawang handle yan dito. Ngayon, pag ito bumasag ito, okay, listen very carefully, no? Pag ito bumasag ito ng 60, yan. Pag bumasag ito ng 63,721 and si MACD naka-green pa din, pumasok ka na. No, pumasok ka na. Hindi pa ako nakakakita kasi ng left hand eh. I don't see a left hand yet. Kasi dito nakakita na tayo ng left hand. Nakita mo yung left hand na yan, no? So there's a left hand here. So I don't see yet a left hand here. Eh. I don't see any left hand yet, no? So pwede pa tong tumaas, no? Pero it can create. Ngayon, pag lumagpas na sa bibig ng cup at naka-green pa din itong si buying pressure, pumasok ka na or mag-add ka ng position. Mag-add ka ng position. Just give me a second, guys. Just give me a second. Okay. Anyways. All right. Tapos, what else? Okay. So, antayin mo na yan tomorrow or today. Ilang oras na lang naman yan. Tapos, we need to be, okay, gagawa ka ng cup and handle dyan. Pwedeng mangyari yon. Tapos, sa mga estudyante ko, okay, sa mga estudyante ko dyan na naaalala yung intermediate class natin, meron lang ako i-discuss ng mabilis. Wait lang. There we go. Okay. So, gagawa lang ako ng mabilis na illustration ha, para makikita ninyo, okay? Yung ating anatomy, MirandaMiner anatomy, no? What is my anatomy of the market, no? So, this is what you call your trend resistance breakout. This is what you call your insulated consolidation. The consolidation has a characteristic of an initial run up sideways and aakyat ulit. This is your euphoria stage or your fib where the magic happens. Okay? This is your pullback. This is your pullback and it will bounce on the old resistance here, acting as a support. Sulat mo yan ha. Old resistance. Ano to? Old resistance acting as a support or oras. Okay. So this one will bounce on the old support. Okay, magkakaroon ng pullback, support identification, magkakaroon ito ng consolidation. After the consolidation, you will see that there's going to be an apex of consolidation. Okay, after the apex, bumasag, umakyat, you will now see a break out again. Ulitin ko ha. Trend resistance identification, you have your initial run up, insulated consolidation, fib where the magic happens, or the euphoria, or the magic, or the feast, and then you see a pullback because there is a left hand already. Pagkaroon ng pullback, it bounced on the old support, old resistance or oras. Nagkaroon ng pasok on 59 or around 60,000 na pasok. Akyat, there's a breakout ulit. So every after breakout, nagkaroon ng breakout, I was expecting for a consolidation. Hindi pa ako nakakakita ng consolidation. No? So pag ito bumasag pa ng 63,600 maya-maya, I am going to expect a consolidation. Otherwise, kasi naka-green pa din sa 2 hours, no? Sa 1 hour, hindi na eh. Naghihingalo na. Naghihingalo na sa 1 hour. Pag bumasag pa to ng 63,600 maya-maya, magko-consolidate to. Abangan nyo yan. Okay? That's what you call your market cycle. That's your market cycle. Okay, let's now go to Ethereum. Ethereum is bullish because of the DeFi activity. Napakaraming DeFi, no? So, yan. So, sinasabi natin, ito ay potentially gagawa ng handle dito. Tapos na siya. So, mukhang ibang candle lang ginawa nito na natin. Ito ay bullish pa din, no? Bullish pa din siya, hindi pa umaangat. Hindi pa siya bumababa. Rather, no? So, bullish, yung kanyang hawakan, no? This line is tangent with this arc, no? So, tuloy-tuloy pataas. So, let's see kung ito ay aakyat pa. The very good news, umakyat ka pa. Walang mawawala kung aakyat ka pa. But let's try to look for the bigger picture. There you go. So, obviously, one of the reasons kung bakit ito nag-consolidate is because nabasag itong previous high na to. At some point, na-reach na yung all-time high, na untog, bumaba. No, hindi nagkaroon ng confirmation candle pero mukhang aakyat at aakyat. Tingnan natin si MACD kung ito ay bumubuo na ng left hand. Okay, meron ka ng left hand dito. Okay, kaya bumaba, no? Bumaba, nagkaroon ng left hand, bumaba. So, tingin natin, because Bitcoin is bullish, tingnan natin, no, ito yung magiging pamantayan natin. No? Wag lang sanang, pag ito bumasag pababa, guys, mag-abang ka na. Pag ito bumasag pababa, mag-abang ka na. No? So, ang abangan natin ganito. Pag ito bumasag to pababa, mag-aabang tayo sa preview, sorry. This one. Okay. Sa 3,381 pero malabo mangyari. Sobrang layo. 3,381. Pag ito nabasag, let's do another fib here. 377. Okay. Another one. Actually, nag-retrace na nga dito, no? Nag-retrace na sa 3,917 sa 618 niya. Okay? Nag-retrace na dyan. So, very good. Tingnan natin kung makakaakyat to. Yan. Nag-retrace na. Ito na yung 618 niya eh. No? So, ang mangyayari dito, titingnan ngayon natin, okay, ang 618 mo na kailangan basagin is 4,184. Okay, 4,184 ang kailangan mong basagin. At it looks like nauuntog silang dalawa sa 4,184 dahil merong 618 na nakaabang. So this is your lower 618, this is your retracement 618 at nauuntog siya doon. So kailangan bumasag ito. Ito ang magiging triangle mo ngayon. Listen to this very carefully ha. Ito yung magiging triangle mo ngayon. This one. That's gonna be your triangle. Okay? So, aangat yan. Ito yung magiging resistance mo. Ito yung magiging support mo. Okay, guys? Can you type number 1 kung nauunawaan pa? Kung nakakahabol ba kayo o ano ba nangyayari? Mag-type number 1. Nakikinig ba kayo? Wala nagko-comment eh. Makikinig ba? Nakikinig? Okay. Let's go to BNB. Ayan. Gawa na pala yung triangle natin. Sabi natin kahapon, ito yung triangle natin at lumagpas na siya. Lumagpas na sa triangle, so umaakyat na, mag-ready ka na. Mag-ready na, yan. Okay, yung mga hindi nakakaunawa, na naiinis ka na sa mga left hand ko, pakiusap, enroll ka lang sa university, no, para maunawaan mo yan. Okay? So, lumagpas na yan. No? Lumagpas na. So, alam mo na yan, ha? Okay, let's go to Ada. Si comparing Ada. Uy, si Ada, oh. Nagpaparamdam si Ada. Akala mo magbe-breakout ang power ng confirmation candle talaga, no? Eh, no, June umakyat, eh, no? So, tingnan natin kung aakyat yan. Yun yung triangle mo. Okay, XRP. Bilisan na natin. Ayun, sabi natin mag-aabang. Ay, sabi ko to kahapon. Ba, sabi natin kahapon mag-aabang daw. Naabangan nyo ba to, guys? Naabangan nyo ba to? Ito yung triangle natin kahapon. Sabi natin mag-aabang. Ba, very good very good. So, ayan na, nag-action. It's actually, nag-act na siya, no? So, umaakyat na. So, very good. What's this, resistance, ito yung ahantayin mo na lang, itong yellow na to. Ito yung antayin mo resistance kasi paakyat na siya, no? So, meron ka ditong support. Sa part na to, yan. You have your support there. So, ito na yung aantayin mo, ha? So, nag-work naman kahapon, ganyan din yung TA natin, di ba? Solana. Uy, si Solana, 216 na. nangyari? Teka lang. Grabe. Nangyari? Wow. Congratulations, guys. Congrats. My God, laki na ng profit natin. Okay, let's go Solana. Solana. Na-break niya na yung all-time. Tataas pa to, guys. Na-break niya na yung all-time high niya eh. Ito nag-bounce, oh. But, teka lang, anong bullish to, no? Bullish, no? Ang galing, ah. Teka lang. So, wala pa naman siyang left hand. Walang left hand, eh. Taas pa to. Grabe. Congratulations. Lumagpas na sa fib. Nagulat ako kasi laki na ng profit natin. Guys, teka lang, magta-take profit nga muna ako. Wait lang. Iangat ko na yung ano ko, iaangat ko na yung aking ano. Iaangat ko na yung profit stop natin. Wait lang, guys, ha. Grabe. Sabi sana all. Wait lang, guys. Ayun. Iaangat ko lang yung mga profit stop. Nagliliparan na yung mga coins ko, eh. Wait lang. Habang nagulat ka, coach, nag-take profit na daw sila. Ito alam mo, minsan ito yung unfair, eh, no? Kayo, ha? Kung kailan ako nagla-live, bakit ba 10:00 'tong live natin? Bakit 10:00? Kasi nga ito yung market action. Nakakailang live na tayo na merong bumulusok pababa yung price. Natatandaan niyo yun? Nagla-live tayo, biglang nagbulusukan pababa yung price. Oh. Kasi nga, nag-open yung NYSE. Ang beginner's market kasi 9:30 to 10:30. Beginner's market yan. 10:30 onwards, 10:30 ng gabi sa atin, that is your professional market na. Tanda mo yan, ah. Okay. Nagulat ako dun sa ano, no, sa Sol, no. Yun! Uy, si Dodge, nakita mo naman, no. Nag-work na naman yung TA natin. Lumagpas sa triangle at nag-bounce doon sa triangle. Ang tawag ngayon diyan ay oras. Oras na para malaman mo ito ay old resistance acting as a support. Ang dati mong resistance ay naging support at umangat. So ang entry point mo dito kung balak mong i-trade si Dogecoin ay ito. Trend line. Here. Confirmation candle. Wala pang confirmation si MACD. Huwag ka munang pumasok. Wala pang confirmation. Kahit nag-confirm pa naman itong line natin, wala pang confirmation si MACD. So do not enter. Okay. Let's now go to dot. Okay, si dot. Grabe. Nagte-take profit na daw sila habang nagsasalita ako dito. No, okay lang yun. Naiintindihan ko yan. Okay, wait lang, ah. Okay, adjust nyo na yung stop profit nyo. Yung kay Sol, di ba kunyari naka-Sol 200, pumasok ka ng 210 for example, tapos 216 na. Gawin mo na yung stop profit mo na 214. Mas matulog ka na. Di ba? Congratulations. Galing mo, ha? Galing-galing mo. Marunong ka na, ha? Natututo ka sa atin, ha? Galing mo. Sige. Ayan. Okay, ito na. Okay. Let's go to dot. Bullish in DOT. Bullish tayo dyan. So, can potentially go down to 37.63. No? Pero, it looks like, teka lang ko lang, wait lang. Uy, teka lang, magre-retrace to, wait lang. So, higher high, nag-retrace na actually. No? Lower high, nagre-retrace. Ayun, antayin mo na lang to. So, kung wala ka pang position in dot, okay, ito yung gagawin mo. By the way, hindi ako nag-signal kanina kasi I plan to do this eh. Gagawin ko naman sa inyo to. So, hindi na ako nag-tweet kanina pa. Ayan, so, okay. So, potentially, nakikita mo to, itong breakout na to, it can retrace here. It can bounce here then go up even higher. No? So alam mo na yan ha. Uni. Uy, ang daming guhit ni Uni. Uni. Uy, nagparamdam din si Uni dito oh. Sinalo ng yellow line natin. Napakagaling naman pala ng yellow line na yan eh, no? Sinalo ng yellow line. Inaantay nating mag-support dito, no? Ayan. Sinalo ng yellow line. Tinulak pataas. Tingnan natin. Okay. Sinalo ng yellow line. Tinulak pataas. Ito ay, okay, ang aantay mo na lang ganito. You need to wait for this entry, no? Kung wala ka pang posisyon kay kay Uni ha, wala ka pang posisyon. So, MACD is bullish. Wala akong nakikitang left hand. Pasok ka sa breakout ng yellow line na to. Pasok ka sa breakout ng yellow line na yan, okay? Let's go now to Luna. Ayun, pumasok na naman sa ating purple line. Galing talaga. Oh. Yun, pumasok dito. Sabi natin, maglalaro ang Luna going here, aakyat, nagkatotoo, no? So, yan, nagkaroon ng bounce, umakyat. So, gawin mo na lang yan. Antayin mo na lang. O, di ba? Galing talaga, nagkakatotoo talaga sila. So, gawin mo na lang yan. Going up, antayin mo na lang. AVAX. Ayun. Sabi natin sa AVAX, antayin magkaroon ng basag nito. Ayun, kung pinasok mo yan, di very good ka. O, sabi ko yan kahapon ha. Okay, tanggalin natin to. Okay. So, sabi natin, tanggalin ko na muna yung mga nakakalitong linya. Wait lang. Baka malito ka. Okay. Sabi natin, antayin yung basag nito. Kasi on the bigger picture, ito ay isang triangle. Yan. Triangle to, no? Yan. Okay. So, it's a triangle. Okay, antayin yung basag nito, paakyat na. So, ang gagawin mo ngayon ganito. Kapag ang Uni bumasag na ng $68 with confirmation candle, pasok. Maganda pa yung MACD niya eh. Maganda pa yung MACD. So, alam mo na yun ha. $68. Gawin mo ng 68.7. Tapos MACD is okay, papasok ka na. Link. Naku, kumita na naman tayo sa link. Ayan na. Sabi ko mag-aabang kayo. Kumita na tayo dito. Ang laki na ng kinita natin. Diba? Very good. Alam nyo na to guys. Pasukin mo na to. Pasukin mo na. Alam mo na yan. Okay. Let's go to Algo. Ay, Algo. Sige, Algo. Uy, pati si Algo bumasag na ng resistance. Ayun. Tingnan mo. Guys, ang galing no? Tingnan mo. Anong sabi natin? Magbabounce on this arrow. Nag-bounce. O paano ko nakuha yung arrow na yan? Kumuha tayo ng fib dito. Diba? Kita mo yan? Nakita mo? Meron ditong 0.5. Meron ditong 0.618. Tinanggal ko yan. Ayun. Nakita mo, nag-bounce. Nagbabounce. Nagbabounce on our 618 area at bumulusok pataas. So, ang gagawin mo ngayon dito, ganito. Here is what you need to do. Wait lang. Ito na yung gagawin. 270 na si Sol. Very good. Ay, nako. Okay. So, ito aantayin mo ha. Listen to this very carefully kasi bullish na nga din si Algo, no? Ito, paakyat ng paakyat na. Wala pa akong nakikitang left hand. Mukhang tataas pa to. Tingnan ko muna sa higher time frame. Wait lang ha. Let me see the volume. Let me look at the 4 hours. Yun. Okay. Okay, wala pa ako nakikitang left hand ha. Wala pa. Aakyat pa to. Bantayan mo na. SHIB, diniscuss na natin to. VET. Uy, bullish si VET. Congratulations. Very good. Kakasabi lang natin. Very good. Okay. Ayan na. Teka lang. So, meron ka ng left hand. Ingat sa 4 hours. May left hand na. Wait lang ha. I-adjust ko lang to. Dito. Here. Okay, bullish na nga. Aangyat na to. Akyat na 'to. Ay, I'm not reading your chat, ha. Naka-side ano lang ako, hindi ko nakikita 'yan. Okay, bumasag na, guys. Bumasag na. Here. Uy, bumasag na. So, let's go to 1 hour. Dun, dun. Ayun, tumaas na nga, okay. So, bumasag na, tataas pa 'to. Tataas pa 'to. Hmm. Okay, vet can retrace muna, 'wag munang ano, 'wag munang atat diyan, 'Pag ito naging point, teka lang, 'pag ito nag-point, 15, tingin ko kaya niyang abutin 'to, mag-antay ka lang ng oras, yung higher high niya, mababasag na 'yan. Kasi galing 'to sa 0.28 if I'm not mistaken, yung historically nito, galing 'to sa ano, 'yan, galing siya sa 'yan, nasa 28 siya galing, 'no. So, kaya kinuha natin 'tong part na 'to. Kasi itong ganitong itsura, confirmed na magbu-bullish na 'yan. Kailangan mo lang mag-antay talaga. Konting retrace. Naka-bullish na 'to, guys. Iwan mo lang yung pera mo diyan. Hayaan mo lang siya. Diniscuss ko na 'tong Axie. Diniscuss ko na 'to. Gawin natin 4 hour, 1 hour. Diniscuss ko na 'tong Axie, ha. Uy, yung confirmation candle. Okay, Matic, last na 'to. Last na 'to, last na 'to. 1.5 hour na yung program natin, no? Okay. Magre-retrace pa 'to muna si Matic before umakyat. Magre-retrace muna 'to. Okay, magre-retrace muna 'to. Gawa lang tayo ng support sandali. Here. Yan, yung support mo. So, meron kang common support area at resistance dito, yan. So, yan na yung magiging triangle mo ngayon. Pero magre-retrace pa 'to ng konti, tingin ko. Yan yung triangle mo diyan. Kasi meron na siyang left hand. Yun, may left hand na siya. So, re-retrace ng konti. Then aakyat na yan dito. Ito yung triangle mo, papuntahin mo yung triangle na yan. Okay. Uy, ang dami ko ng tinuro sa inyo today, Busog-lusog ba kayo, Busog-lusog? Napansin ko 1 oras at mahigit na tayo. Grabe. 1 oras at mahigit. Sana marami kayong natutunan, You have learned a lot today. Okay? So, did you learn a lot today, guys? Did you learn a lot? Basa na ako ng comments. Wait lang, wait lang. I'll just read comments. Chat pop. Wait lang. Yan. Sabi ni Ephraim, magkano mag-enroll? $24 for beginner, 24 hours for intermediate. Sabi ni Ronald, if I'm going to describe your strategy, it's simple yet very effective. Alam mo, simplicity is key. Tandaan mo yan, no? Simplicity is key yan. Rico, estudyante ko to. Thank you for make yet another profitable day for me. Maraming salamat. Coach Miranda is my coach. Thank you, thank you. Uy guys, mag-like ka naman. Pa-like naman ng video natin. Uy, patabang na ng pag-like, Patabang na sa muya mag-like. Kaipuhan natin dakol ng like, para dakol ng YouTube will push up our patabang na. Okay, thank you. Saan po kayo sumasagap ng juicy news? Marami po kasi akong marites. Uy, kudos kay Choi ng kanya kong nalaman yung marites na yan. Tsaka kay Jom, sabi niya yung Mosang, natutunan ko sa kanila yan. Saan pwedeng mag-exit kay Sol? Sige, chat natin tong exit ni Sol. Wait lang. Okay. So, pag pumasok kayo kay Sol, okay, gawa tayo ng 618, no? Teka lang. So, I will do a 618 for Sol. Here. Exit 233. Gulat ka, no? Taas, no? 233 ang exit mo. Wala ng bubong, eh. Wala ng bubong. Ito nabasag na 215. Umangat na umangat yan. 233 ang exit. Tapos kung hindi man mahahagip yan, maglagay ka na ng I'll teach you another one. Wait lang, just give me a second. 214 nakuha na. 222. Lagay ka ng take profit on $222. Tandaan mo yan ha, $222. Okay? Marcelino, salamat po coach. Salamat din, walang problema. Grabe ang sol. Oo nga, yung daming profit. Teka lang, i-adjust ko muna yung profit ko. Wait lang. Mag-a-adjust muna ako ng profit. Nalobat yung phone ko. Wait. Kailangan palang i-charge. Ano ba yun? Okay. Anyways, very good. Congratulations, guys. Saan pwedeng pumasok kay Solana? Saan ba pumasok kay Solana? 1 hour. Depende sa ano bang trader ka? Day trader ka ba? Kunyari day trader ka. Wait lang. Ay, meron ng left hand si Solana eh. Yung muna pumasok. Yung mga nagpo-profit na, magbantay ka na ng profit ha. Itaas mo na, di ba may stop loss ka? Kunyari nasa 200, kunyari ang stop loss before is 189. Yung stop loss mo ngayon, iangat mo na sa 214. Kung pumasok ka sa 215, iangat mo lang, habulin mo lang tong price ng Solana. Habulin mo lang yung price. Kasi at any rate, kumikita ka na. Eh pag bumulusok pababa yan, di nasayang yung profit mo. So, may risk to ngayon kasi nakakita na akong left hand. Magre-retrace sa 15 minutes, tingin ko 1 hour, parang wala pa yata. Wala pa. Akyat pa to. Pag ikaw naglagay sa Solana, maglagay ka ng mga 10% ng puhunan mo, kalimutan mo. Huwag mong pansinin. Yan lang yan. Kasi bumasag na ng higher high eh. Binasag niya na yung October 22 na higher high. Binasag. Kasi diba dalawa yung naging correction dito. Nag-correct dito ng September 10, nag-correct na yan. Itong October, nag-correct na din. Tapos ito, pangalawang basag niya. Ito yung kaninang tanong eh. Coach, pag nag-retest po ba, may basag? Malay ko ba tanong mo yung beginner exam. So, angat na to. Angat pa yan. Iwanan mo lang. Huwag kang, kasi magre-retrace ng konti at angat pa yan. Nabasag na eh. Nabasag na. Tingnan natin sa 2 hours. 4 hours. Uy, bullish pa din sa 4 hours. Bullish. Kaka-ano pa lang eh. Kaka-green pa lang sa 4 hours eh. Pero pag pumasok ka ngayon, wag mong pansinin hanggang bukas. Hanggang bukas na yan. Lagyan mo na ng stop loss. Yun lang gagawin mo dyan sa Solana. Okay? 1. Tingnan natin yung 1. Tingnan natin yung 1. Alas 12 na naman si coach. Kayo talaga. Uy, i-like nyo nga to guys. Mag-like nga kayo. Mag-like naman kayo guys. Para sipagin naman si coach. Very good. So pag ganito, ang take profit mo ng 1, bumasag na ng 618 eh. Bumasag pa ng 618. Ang take profit mo dito, ano na, 0.37 na. 0.37. Congratulations. Okay. So, ang hierarchy ba ng left to yes, oo. Hierarchy ng left to right hand is from higher time frame, yes to lower. Pag makakita ka na ng higher time frame na ano, na bearish divergence, yung buong next couple, kunyari nakakita ka sa 1 hour, yung buong araw pababa yung mag-a-adjust yun. Mag-retrace yun. Ang nag-dislike maliliquidate. FTM. Uy, FTM. Okay si FTM ha. Check ko lang si FTM. Okay to si FTM. Alright. Yun o. Kita mo yan. Pero, anak ko, delikado na to. Magle-left hand na to guys. Delikado na yan. Makinig kayo sa akin. Sinabi ko sa'yo yan sa Solana. Hindi ka nakikinig. Makinig ka ha. Makinig ka. merkado na yan. Okay, okay na 'to. Naka-short ka ng 2.95. Let me look for the RSI. Parabolic na ba siya? Parabolic na. Okay guys, last question na 'to. Ang dami ko ng tinanong na sanagot, Hindi pa siya parabolic. Mababa pa yung RSI niya, eh. Parabolic pa lang niya. Sa 4 hours. Sa 1 day. Ito yung 1 day sinasabi mo. 75. Oo, 75. So, oo. Tama. I-short mo na 'to, antayin mo na lang. Magre-retrace 'tong FTM. Pwede mo nang i-short 'yan. Tataas pa ng konti, nagpa-parabolic play pa, 70. Tataas ng konti tapos babagsak na 'yan. Antayin mo na lang. Okay. Ayun. Oo, 'pag nakakita ka ng bullish sa higher time frames, merong divergence sa baba, okay lang 'yun. Magre-retrace lang 'yun within couple of minutes tapos aakyat ulit. 'Pag higher time frame, bullish pa din. Okay, Solana long. Yes, mag-long ka sa Solana, okay lang 'yun. Okay guys, uy, maraming salamat, Ang haba na ng live natin. Natutuwa naman ako sa inyo at, sinusuportahan niyo tayo. Ang dami ko ng ginawang research, sana na-appreciate niyo 'yan, I hope you were able to appreciate, and again, ang TA natin on the next big move ni Bitcoin, sa mga hindi nakapanood kahapon, ang sabi natin kay Bitcoin, Bitcoin can potentially go even higher, no? 75 and 84 ang ating retracement, ang ating resistance areas, can go even higher, But of course, wag kang matatakot sa mga retracement. Always make sure you trade your money that you can lose, and iangat mo ang inyong stop profits, stop profit area. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaunawa kung ano yung pinagsasabi ko dito, iniimbitahan kitang mag-enroll sa ating course kung saan tinuturo ko ang ating mga basic terminologies at ang ating system that talks about profitability, at hindi lang TA kundi psychological mind setting din, yung mga mindset of a beginner trader. So sana mag-enroll ka. And if you're interested, just enroll to email us at EliteUniversity@globalmirandaminer.com. Again, I would like to Carlo, I will TA Filecoin maya-maya I'll just post it sa Twitter, okay? Okay, so I will end this conversation by saying maraming salamat sa iyo. I'm very happy. Congratulations. To God be all the highest praises and glory. Marami pong salamat, Lord, sa pagkakataon para makatulong po tayo sa ating community and be able to help for free, no? Yes, meron tayong love fee. That is because I want to put a love fee. Alam mo kung bakit? If I don't put a love fee sa course natin, hindi ka makikinig. You will never listen to me. You will not invest time because you have no skin to the game, no? So, dito ka sa labas, makinig ka dito. Invest ka ng time, makinig ka. Every 10 p.m. is my live. Every day. Every day to, araw-araw. And, again, thank you very much. To God be all the highest praise and glory. At mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Hindi ko po alam paano po kayo mapapasalamatan sa lahat po ng support na ibinigay nyo sa ating Miranda Miner Group. Nung simula pa lang po ng tayo ay 5, 10, 12, 15, 100, 200, at kung ano-ano pa. Maraming salamat guys, no? At sana wag kang makakalimot sumuport. Nandito lang po si Miranda Miner at God bless you. I love you 3,000. Thank you everyone. Salamat po. Maraming salamat.